Adobe Premiere has a color matching feature that allows you to create a cinematic look. This feature adjusts the colors in your footage to match the colors of other footage. For example, if you have footage of a sunset and a cloudy day, you can use color matching to make both footage look like they were shot on the same day. This feature can also be used to match the color tones in movies. You can import color palettes from movies, easily found on the internet, into Adobe Premiere and then apply them to your videos. First, we need to find a color palette. If you search for movie color palette or Hollywood movie color palette in Google Images, you will find color palettes like this. With these color palettes, you will be able to transfer the colors from these palettes to your own videos without any effort. Download the colors palettes you like to your computer. After downloading, let's go to Premiere and let's continue with Premiere from now on. Here are the color palettes I saved on my computer. Let me show you what kind of color palettes they are by double clicking on them. This is one of them. It's a wartime image with cool colors. The other one is another image with warm colors. We are going to try to transfer the colors of both of them into our videos. And another tab we need in Premiere is Lumetri Color. If you don't see this panel, make sure that the Lumetri Color option under Window is checked. Then we can move on to importing our videos. There are 3 videos that I found for free on the internet. This is one of them. I'm going to shorten it and use it. Another one is a video like this. And another one is a video with different footages in it. I'll have to separate each of these and use them, because it adjusts its color accordingly. I especially want to use the outdoor images so that we can see the color changes much more clearly. And there is this footage from this video, and then there is this footage, and I'm going to add the color palette that I want to use at the top. First of all, I want to use cool colors, and you can adapt these colors directly to the video. You can also create a new adjustment layer and apply them to the adjustment layer. Let's go through the adjustment layer. Right click on an empty area, select new item, adjustment layer, and click OK in the window that appears. Thus, it created an adjustment layer suitable for the project dimensions. I apply this adjustment layer over the videos. I adjust it so that it overlaps. This is our first video. I select the adjustment layer, then I go to the Lumetri Color panel and select Color Wells and Match. Since this is a color matching, Color Match is our feature, the feature we are looking for. When I open this range, you will see a button called Comparison View. When I click on this button, we will see both the video I selected and the color palette at the same time. It takes this as a reference image. That's what we wanted anyway. And then all we have to do is click on the Apply Match button right below it. As soon as I click this button, it will apply the color values from the reference image to the layer we selected. And look, we have a video with the same tones. I'm undoing this now. This was the original version when I undid it. Let's move to another video. We are going to do the same thing again. Since it's already in comparison view mode, when I directly click Apply Match, it will try to apply the color values on the left to the video on the right. Let's see what the result will be. When I press this button, the result looks like a frame from this movie. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the video. I'm going to click Apply Match, and that's the result. Now I'm going to delete this color palette and I'm going to replace it with the next color palette, and let's go through it and see what happens. Let's select our first video. You don't need to click on this because we are already in comparison view mode. But if you exit the mode like this, you can click on it again to activate this mode. Let's not waste any time. Let's move on. Now it is already clear what is how and how it works. I click Apply Match and it tries to apply the warm colors here to the shot on the right. You can get much better results with much more beautiful videos. Now let's continue with this video. I click Apply Match and look, it's applied the warm colors here as well. Let's do it for the next video. I click Apply Match and look, you can see the difference. I think it gives very high quality results, by the way. This was the original and it changed it to this. Let's move on further in the video. The colors of the second video were also like this, and we can see very easily that it has similar color values to the color values on the left when we apply this effect. In this video, I showed how to use one of the Premiere's beautiful features, color matching, and how we can use the color palettes we find on the internet in our own videos. I hope it was useful. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.